Securing your Starlink network, firewall, VPN, and remote access. Starlink has revolutionized internet access in remote and rural areas with its high-speed satellite connectivity. However, like any internet connection, it's essential to secure your Starlink network to protect personal data, prevent unauthorized access, and ensure a safe browsing environment. Whether you're using Starlink at home, on the road, or for a business, implementing the right security measures can protect your devices and data from cyber threats. This guide walks you through essential steps to secure your Starlink network using firewalls, VPNs, and remote access tools. Fire 1. Configure firewall. While the Starlink router offers basic security, it doesn't include advanced firewall options. To enhance protection, use a separate firewall/router. Consider connecting your Starlink system to a third-party router or firewall appliance, like Ubiquiti, TP-Link, or pfSense, for deeper control over network traffic. Block unwanted ports. Restrict traffic by blocking unused or suspicious ports to prevent intrusion attempts. Enable IP filtering. Only allow access from trusted IPs, especially for sensitive services like remote access. A firewall acts as a protective gate, filtering incoming and outgoing traffic and helping you block malicious connections before they reach your devices. Shield 2. Use a VPN, virtual private network. A VPN adds a critical layer of security by encrypting your internet traffic, hiding your IP address, and preventing tracking or snooping, especially useful when using Starlink in public or mobile settings. Protect data on public networks. If you use Starlink while traveling or in shared environments, a VPN secures your data from hackers. Access geo-restricted content. A VPN can help bypass restrictions and access services available in other countries. Enhance privacy. VPNs ensure your online activities remain private from ISPs and other entities. Popular VPN providers like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and ProtonVPN offer easy setup on routers or individual devices. Glow with Meridians 3. Enable secure remote access. Many Starlink users want to access their devices, like servers, cameras, or smart home systems, remotely. However, remote access should always be configured securely to avoid vulnerabilities. Use dynamic DNS, DDNS. Since Starlink uses dynamic IP addresses, DDNS helps you assign a fixed domain name to your Starlink IP, allowing easy remote access. Secure remote protocols. Always use encrypted protocols like SSH, SFTP, or HTTPS. Avoid exposing open ports like 3389 RDP or 21 FTP without protection. Use port forwarding with caution. If you must enable port forwarding, make sure it's limited to specific IPs and use strong passwords or SSH keys. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Use 2FA wherever possible for added security on remote login interfaces.